Hey YouTube, I've been out for a while, so I've just got another unboxing for you guys. I know you've been asking me for videos, so I have gone and invested in a camcorder, and I got a really good deal for it. It's the Hitachi, and that's the model number there, DZHV1074. I was thinking of getting a Pocket Camcorder, but the price of this item was so good I thought I might as well get this one. It cost me £120, and it's a full HD camcorder, but I think it only records to 1080i, so it's 1080 interlaced, not 1080 progressive. It's cost me £120. Comet are doing it at the moment for half price, and it's £150. But for £150, I'd get a dedicated camcorder rather than a pocket camcorder. We'll get a much better picture. So it does 1080i and 60 frames. It's got a 10 megapixel CMOS sensor, 5 times optical zoom. It's got a 3-inch touch display, and it's got things like a night light, which you don't get in a pocket camcorder. And this is an SD card camcorder. The thing is, you can't find any information on this on the internet, and I was just wondering why that is. So I think this unbox is the very first on YouTube, but there's no one on the internet that have given reviews for the item or got any information on it, not even on Hitachi's website. So there you go. I'll just open it up for you. I have invested in a tripod, by the way, which I think makes life so much easier. Right, open it up. What do you get? Normal stuff. You get some software and manuals. Let's open it up again. We've got the cables, and look at that. How nice of them to give me a case. So they've already given me a case, and I'm assuming the camcorder is inside the case. Yes, it is. Well, we'll look at that in a second. Let's look at the cables first. We have got that should be a TV out, so it's a composite cable. We get the USB sync cable. It's a mini USB. You get the mains lead. That's obviously, I think that's a European plug. I don't know, actually, I don't know. But there is a UK style plug there. Wow, it's a lot of cables. And wow, they've given me that's brilliant. So they've given me a mini HDMI to an HDMI cable. That comes in the box. So it's pretty decent of them. They don't provide these cables. So they've given me the HDMI cable and the case. That's pretty good. All for $120, and there's the battery. So it's as you can see, it's a 1700 milliamp battery. So let's put that away. And I need to get a little carry strap for your case. There's nothing else in the box there. And you have another little box here. I don't know what this is. Let's have a look. So it's all the cables. Alright, so that's the battery charger. So you put your battery in there like that, and then you plug that into your mains. Anyway, let's look at the camcorder. Let's move all of them aside. Let's look at the camcorder. Oh, I'm loving this tripod. It's brilliant. Right, let's just zoom out a bit. My next video should hopefully be done using this camcorder rather than my Panasonic, which I know does high definition, but it doesn't do the audio that well. It doesn't pick up the audio that well. But anyway, I'll have to zoom back out again. Actually, maybe not. There you go. That's the camcorder. That's incredibly small. It says full HD, but I don't think it does it in 1080p. There's the camera, the lens, sorry. So you've got the 5x optical zoom lens, and there's your photo light, and there must be a recording light. Let's just close that. It's a fairly compact camera. You know, I think I've got big hands, but it is a fairly compact camcorder. And you've got you can see a reflection of my camera. So it's got a 16:9 aspect ratio 3-inch touchscreen panel. I've got some controls on the side. So it does 1920 by 1080. Now it doesn't say I or P. I'm assuming it's I because that's what it says in the box. At 60 frames per second. But I'd rather do it at 720 progressive rather than 1080i. It's got buttons there. I don't know much about camcorders. I'm just quickly going through. You've got some buttons there, buttons everywhere. If I just open this up, you've got your mini HDMI socket. That is, well, it's a DC. Yeah, it's a DC and USB socket, DC AV and USB socket. So you can plug it in to transfer information, plug it into, connect it to your TV using the composite lead, or plug it for charging. But that's all there. And it's got a nice little handy strap there. It's got a tripod thing in the bottom. Don't know what that is. That's like a little locker thing for the tripod. But that's the bottom. That's the front. Let's do a quick tour around. And that's the side. So SDHC, high capacity. That's the top, zoom buttons. So 5x super high zoom, but I know it's got the 5x optical zoom. And it says on the side it's got Hitachi, full HD. And then back front you do that. It does that. Oh, just to the submit. Okay. I don't know much about camcorders. I just got one because I know it's cheap. So it might not be the best camcorder out there, but nobody else videoed. There's no information on this camera on the website, on the internet, not even on Hitachi's website, and nobody's done an unbox. So I have done one, probably the first on YouTube. So I'm taking a slight pleasure in that. I've got some more stuff coming. I have just ordered a Microsoft Zoom. I sold my Samsung MP3 and I've just ordered a Microsoft 120GB Zoom. So check out my page later. I might have the unboxing for that and maybe a case for it. If you've got any questions, please do ask it post it on the comments below. I'll try and get back to it, but I haven't been answering many questions lately, so just try it anyway. Who knows, I might answer it. Anyway guys,